you rinse. You make sure that the salt penetrates and it gets softened, and then you rinse it again. This is to take out the that harsh taste. It's the only way to take it out. Okay. You let it sit for a little bit and then you rinse it. Okay. Okay, this is a cup of water and 1/3 cup of monk fruit sweetener, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Okay, so after you let it sit for 10 minutes, now it's time to drain it out and wash it. So it's all soft already. So don't worry if this is salty, it won't be salty. Rinse it out like this. Rinse it out good. And you actually have to juice out the rest of the water. Just try to squeeze out the water. And then let's walk over here and put in the mixed ingredients vinegar and let it sit. Okay. Now we can add the carrots. It looks pretty, huh? Mix it and let it rest, and you can eat this after an hour or so. And if there's any leftover, you put it in a jar, glass jar, and put it in the refrigerator so it would be crunchy. You don't drink the juice, so you just eat the radish and the carrot. They don't drink the juice, so it doesn't matter how much monk fruit you're putting in.